I'm well into over a year, on estrogen. And there is something I'm still doing to this day, and I really want to talk about it. Comparing myself to other trans people and their medical timeline. Finding myself watching so many videos, and something I used to do so much, and it's something I still do. Now that I'm medically transitioning, I always look at videos of people that are just on estrogen or on any medication, be it transitioning masculinely or transitioning femininely. Is that a word? But I always compare myself. I find myself watching Miles Chronicles newest video, I Am Miles, and just looking at his journey and what he looks like, it's so hard not to compare, and I'm so jealous of how much testosterone changes stuff for you, whereas estrogen is slower. I just wish estrogen had more of an impact, and I'm jealous. I'm honestly jealous. I would take all the acne in the world if estrogen would make such an impact as much as it has for trans guys that I see on YouTube. It's hard not to compare and be jealous of how much medication can change people in the other situation, be it estrogen to testosterone. Oh no, testosterone to estrogen. Sorry. So I don't really have a conclusion to this. Like, you shouldn't compare yourself, and time will change everything. Yeah, it may, but right now I'm a few months into over a year into my medical transition with estrogen, and things have stopped so much, and I don't pass. Dare I say that horrible word that everyone says on YouTube that I should note: when people pass, that's when they start saying I don't care about passing. I'm sorry, but it's so true. I don't pass at all. The only time I ever pass is when people greet me, but they come from behind, and then they just go, oh, and they don't know what to say. Or I'm in a group of girls and they don't notice me, they just see a bunch of people, and they see a lot of like long-haired people. So they say girls. So it's hard. I don't pass. And is it so horrible that I say that I want to? It's okay to want to pass, because it's dysphoria that makes you feel so horrible about yourself. Makes you feel like you'll never be seen for who you are. So I want to pass. I would love to just wake up in the morning and not have to put on so much makeup. Wear really uncomfortable tops that give me a figure. I wouldn't have to tuck and end up with pains. I want to pass, and I'm okay to say that, and I think it's okay for you to say it. I'm Alexis's Trans-ition, and I want to thank you for watching this video. I want to be really honest, and this is me being honest. Love you, my little pandas, and I'll see you next time. Be good to yourselves, because life is so hard. Don't make it harder on yourself.